If your Maytronic's cable sinks, the usual cause is that the cable has been left in water. Water is leaked into small cracks in the sheath. Sunlight, high chlorine levels and salt water can cause it too. When the cable sinks, the robot runs over it. Instead of buying a new cable, here is an easy fix. This cable was gritty, sticky and would sink. I have wrapped the cable with Nitto blue tape. This cable has also been repaired. I have added small floats along the length. You can add as many as you like. The cable still wraps neatly. Grab a sheet of packing foam. Cut a long piece to make the floats. Cut them to your desired width. The Nitto tape holds the floats on. We will roll pieces around the cable. I cut pieces to match the diameter of the cable. You can add more floats later if needed. Now the cable stays at the top of the water. The robot cleans without running over the cable. The cable is not gritty or sticky. Thanks for watching.